everyone! Welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to visit a farm. Are you ready? Let's go. Look! Woof woof! It's a dog. Listen. Dog. Now your turn. Repeat after me. Dog. Super! Meow, meow. Do you see it? It's a cat. Listen. Cat. Repeat after me. Cat. Nice! Look, what is it? It's a chicken. Listen. Chicken. Now your turn. Chicken. Good job! Quack, quack. Look at the pond. It's a duck. Listen. Duck. Say it with me. Duck. Amazing! Oink, oink. It's pink and cute. It's a pig. Listen. Pig. Now your turn. Pig. Excellent. Moo, moo. What animal is that? It's a cow. Listen. Cow. Repeat after me. Cow. Well done. Neigh, neigh. It's very fast. It's a horse. Listen. Horse. Your turn. Horse. Great! Look, it has small horns. It's a goat. Listen. Goat. Say it with me. Goat. Good work! Ba, ba, so fluffy. It's a sheep. Listen. Sheep. Repeat after me. Sheep. Perfect! Hop, hop. It has long ears. It's a rabbit. Listen. Rabbit. Now your turn. Rabbit. You're doing great! Wow, we saw many animals today. You did a great job. Keep practicing and see you next time. Goodbye!